This time I will convert 896 cubic millimeters to cubic inches. I'm going to use these two conversion factors because, for example, you do not have direct conversion factor from cubic millimeters to cubic inches, and let's say these two are given. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to convert cubic millimeters to cubic centimeters, and after that cubic centimeters I'm going to convert to cubic inches. So let's take a look. We have 896 cubic millimeters. I have to convert this to cubic centimeters first. I have 1000 cubic millimeters and 1 cubic centimeter in the numerator. Again, someone is going to ask, why did you put millimeters in the denominator? Why? Because I want to eliminate these cubic millimeters. So in order to eliminate them, I have to make sure that I'm going to have cubic millimeters in the denominator of this fraction. Take a look what will happen. This and this will cancel out. But I'm not looking for cubic centimeters. I'm looking for cubic inches. That's why I'm going to use the second given conversion factor. And again, I want to eliminate the cubic centimeters from the numerator. So in order to eliminate cubic centimeters from the numerator, you have to have the cubic centimeters in the denominator of this fraction, which is 16.4 cubic centimeters, and I have 1 cubic inch in the numerator. Cubic centimeters and cubic centimeters will cancel out, and I'm going to have improper fraction. You can always make it. Multiplication. Multiply all numerators together and all denominators together. So we're going to have 896 times 1, it's just simply 896, times 1 inch, 1 cubic inch, over 1000 times 16.4. 1000 times 16.4. Use the calculator and you're supposed to get the answer 5.463 times 10 to negative 2 cubic inches. This is the solution to my problem.